Hello my dear children, now we can study our 15th chapter, Visualizing Solid Shape. You all are familiar with triangle, rectangle, square and so on. That is, length and breadth will be there for this type of shapes. That is 2D shapes. Okay, for 3D shapes, we can see the depth also will be there. Okay, depth also will be there. These are 3D shapes. Here length and breadth will be there. But here depth also is there. Depth, length, width and depth. We can keep something inside this box that is known as 3D shapes. That is a three-dimensional shape. A three-dimensional shapes or object can look differently from different positions or sides. So they can draw from different perspectives. This is called visualizing solid shapes. It's a cube. It has sides, faces, and vertices. How many faces are there? Here 1, 2, 3, then 4, here 5 and 6. 6 faces are there. And how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges are there. So what is this? 6 faces are there. Then 12 edges are there. Then we have to think about the vertices. How many will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Got it. These are the vertices, joining points of line segments. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 vertices are there. Clear? Here this is the another one 3D shape that is looks like, the base looks like triangle. So we can say this one as triangular prism. So for this triangular prism, we can draw like this way. And the faces, how many faces are there for this triangular prism? Here 1, 2, 3. Then one more will be there. That is 4 faces are there. How many edges will be there? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. Then 6 edges and vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices are there. Then we know that there will be a relation between faces, edges and vertices. That formula is known as Euler's formula. What is that? Now we can discuss with the help of the faces, edges and vertices of cube and triangular prism. Okay, this is true for all 3D shapes. Clear? Now we can subtract these edges from faces. That is 6 minus 12. Then we can add with vertices. How many vertices are there for cube? That is 8. Then the answer is 6 plus 8, 14 minus 12, that is 2. Then according to this one, here for cube we will get 2 as the answer. Then for this triangular pyramid, 4 minus 6 plus 4, that is 4 plus 4, 8 minus 6. Here also we got it as 2. That is the Euler's formula. What is that? When we are subtracting the edges from faces and when we add the a number of vertices, we will get 2 as the answer. Always this answer, this calculation will be 2. That is face minus f minus e plus v. F minus e plus v is equal to 2. This is the reverse formula. Clear? By using this, we can find out any shapes, vertices or edges or faces. Clear? This is a cylinder. How can we make this? Before that, we need a plan for making one cylinder, cube, cuboid or anything. Okay, then cuboid. This is the cuboid. Okay, here length will be more than this width. Okay, then height will be the length, breadth and width also will be there. Clear? Breadth and width are same. Here depth will be there. If there is one hole, we can keep something here. That is 3D shapes, solid shapes. Clear? But for this 2D shapes, we will have only length and breadth or width only. Clear? Children, this is the net of a cube. Actually, what is that? We have studied this one in previous years. That is, before making a cube, we need a plan. That outline of that cube will be like this way. We can cut this one and we can make a cube by using or folding this paper or this outline. Okay. For a cylinder, this will be the net of that cylinder. So, by folding this one, these two rolls will be here. We can fold it here. Okay. Then if we open it, we can roll this one here like this way. Here, by using this paper, here, we can fold it. The condition will be like this way. And if we fold, we will get like this one shape. Okay. Then these two are, we can close these two sides. That is for this one. These two rounds are for this one. Okay. That is the nets of a solid shape. We have to cut it and we can make this one. Any shape we can make. There are 3 faces for a cylinder. 1, 2 and 3. Clear? One is here, second one is here, third one is this one. That is curved face. Okay, curved face. For a cone, 2 faces are there. One is here and another one is like this way, curved face, and one will be here, plain face. Okay. This is a sphere. It has only one face. Okay, clear? Only one face. Sphere looks like a ball. I think now you got more ideas about these 3D shapes, that is solid shapes. Clear?